Hi guys, hope you're having a good day today. I'm back with a video. This is going to be my pocket planner setup. This right here is my first and only pocket planner that I've ever had. Well, I take that back. I had a pocket Filofax Traveler's notebook, but then my dog decided to chew it up one day. So this is the first time I've ever planned in a pocket ringed bound planner. This is the Filofax Domino in the soft pink color. I kind of like the dominoes because you get the best of both worlds. So it's kind of like a traveler's notebook, but it's also a ring bound planner because you have the elastic here that you can take on and off. So right here, I just have this velvet bow clip from the Frank and Friend shop on Etsy. I can link that down below for you if you'd like to check out her shop. She has a lot of cute little clip bows and paper clips and different things like that. So we'll go ahead and get into it. This is my dashboard. So basically it's just really simple. I just have some cardstock that I cut out here that matched this C that I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't believe they sell the rose gold ones anymore. I think they're mostly just the gold C's and silver C's, but yeah, we'll see if they come back out with any of this color. But also this like dashboard right here is actually from the Foxy Fix. It was a traveler's notebook dashboard, but I cut it down the middle and then just put some scrapbooking paper in here. So it worked out really well. Yeah, so here I just have some more scrapbook paper that I cut down. And then this is a credit card holder from Amazon that I just stuck in here. Normally I keep my debit card and other things in here, but for the sake of the video, I took it out. And then here is just a plastic flyleaf that came with the planner, and I just keep this little clip here from Hobby Lobby, and then this little post-it. Basically, this is like my inbox for this planner, because in the back I keep some receipts, which I'll show you, but this just tells me what receipts are back there. That way I can remember which ones, and I won't have to keep looking through all of them to see which ones are back there. And then I did just slit the rings here, that way I can take this in and out whenever I need to. Here are just some to-do sheets that came with the planner as well, and I just keep these here for any dates that come up for 2019. And I just have a couple of sheets of those. And then these dividers here are from Martha Plans on Etsy, and I just got these the other day. They are super cute. She has a few different designs that you can choose from, but I decided to get the marble one with the black tabs here. And you can customize what you want them to say as well. So my first section here is my monthly, and I just have my month on 2 page from So Much Crafting. And here I just put down anything and everything as I'm out and about. If I'm at the doctor's and I need to put down an appointment time, I'll just stick it here. Nothing fancy, no decorating. I just highlighted some important things that are going on. This is a Filofax Roller that came with the planner. And then this is what a blank one looks like. And so I have that all the way through till next June, I believe. Yeah. Here is my weekly, which isn't really my weekly. It's kind of like my food diary section / workout section. I am currently 39 weeks pregnant, so I'm not really working out a lot right now. But once I have this baby, I want to get back on track. So here, I'm just going to be keeping track of my monthly cycle. This is a yearly bundle that you can get from So Much Crafting. This is a year on 2 pages right here, and then it comes with the year on 1 page, which I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this guy yet. And then it has a yearly fold out, and here I just plan, I'm a runner, so I plan to keep track of how many miles I run a day. That way I can look back at the year and see how many in total. This is the week on 2 page that comes with the planner. So here I am keeping my food diary. So this was last week, and I just have BLDS for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And then here I've been keeping track of what we're having for dinners. But I am going to be switching up my menu planning, so I do plan to have a video coming out with that information soon. But here, this is a free divider that came with, or like a flyleaf ruler thing that Martha Plans included in my order of my dividers. So I thought that was really nice of her and super cute. She just put my name right up here. So yeah, and then that just continues. And then this next section here, this is just a divider that comes with the planner. This is my doctor section. So soon I'm going to be having a pediatrician and doctor's visits a lot. And so here I just ordered these from So Much Crafting. And these are, you can just put down like what's your reason for the visit, if you have any questions, what the answers were, dates. And I just have one here for myself and for my soon-to-be baby boy. And then it also has in the back some medication sheets. So if for whatever reason, heaven forbid, my baby gets sick, I can keep track of the prescription, the dosage, and time. The next section here is my contact section. So here, I just put a line down the middle on this graphing paper, and this is really just for like contacts. So like if I have to call a contractor or my internet guy and I have questions, I will put down who it is, the date, the question, and then what the answer was here. So that way I can keep track. And then I just have some more pages for that. And then in the back part here, I just have these contact pages that came with the planner as well from Filofax. My next section here is my list section. So I just have some dinner ideas here, a grocery guide of the different sections at the store. That way I can look these up if I'm out of any of these and write a fast list. My husband's sizes and my soon-to-be baby sizes, things I need to buy my husband, things I need to buy my baby, things I need to get at Target, at TJ Maxx, at the mall, some frequent places that we go often. And then I have some more paper for more lists as I keep adding to it. And then this last section is notes. So basically just that. I have some more graphing paper here, and that's that section. And then in the back it comes with this top opening pocket here that came with the planner, and back here I keep my receipts and some little page flags back here. And lastly, this is a little notebook from the Container Store. It's called the Poppin' brand. It came with a few different notebooks, but here is just my scratch pad. So like anything and everything, brain dumps as I'm on the go, that will go in this guy. And then the pen I'm using is the Friction Ball 05 point tip. And I really love these. These are the clickable ones. They're erasable. Super awesome. So yes, that is my setup. So if you guys have any questions, you can definitely post them down below. Like I said, this is my first time using a pocket, so we'll see how it goes. I just stick it right in my purse. I love how compact it is and small, and I can take it with me everywhere. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.